Squeal Light behind the scenes. That's SQL. It's pronounced squeal, by the way. If you're using Squeal Light to pull some data and you want to manage it, typically what you'll do is have one of those items in the data be an ID. And then that ID will get automatically returned by the cursor adapter, who manages the interaction with the database for you. Okay, so we did the spinner. See, that's what I said. I do everything out of order of the slides. Okay, landscape versus portrait. Done it. Intents. Here's where we get actually the fun stuff. General idea. You describe what you want to do, and then the activity who's registered for that will pop up. The system is selecting the best fit for you if you're using an implicit intent. If you use an explicit intent, you're telling it, I want to run activity X. You can do that if you really want to. Okay, let's start off with that just to see what that looks like in an explicit intent. Here's an explicit intent here. So we have intent equals new intent, passing in the context that you're in this case it's going to be the activity, and then where you want to go, the name of that class. Then you just call start activity. Let's give that a try and see what it does. So I'm going to go back to, in my manifest, I'm going to change this back to, instead of list activity, I'm going to make it main activity. And in main activity, remember that button that we put in there? Let's have that button jump off to our list activity. So instead of doing this stuff, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say intent be kind of careful on this, because right now if I say this, what am I referring to? I'm referring to that inner class instance. So what I'll need